Hi, I'm glad you clicked. My name is Kumi. I believe every creative design has a simpler and more relatable means of achievement. So every week, I upload a fashion project and I show you easier ways to achieve them. Today, I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this knotted neckline. I have drafted my basic bodies. I have inserted my darts. I'm just going to connect a line towards the neckline, just exactly as you see me do, and I'm going to cut. This straight line you're seeing across the bodies is the bust point. I'm going to secure with my tape. I'm going to do likewise for the side dart. By mere watching, you will be able to understand, but occasionally I will be interfering to where necessary to give further explanation. So I'm just cutting towards the dart. You won't cut to the end, you're just going to leave a tip. So I've placed it on another fabric. The distance is going to be 4 inches. From one to the other is 2 inches. I secured with my tape. I gave it half-inch sewing allowance. I'll connect together to see me do. Just give it a rapt attention. It's really easy. I'm going to trim. Going to open it up and trim off. I don't need it at the shoulder. I'm just going to go ahead and trim it off there again. The only thing I want is that alteration at the front. Yeah. So I'm going to place it on my main fabric and secure with pin. I'm going to trim this off. Right. I'm taking my time to show you the entire process so that you can see where I trim. Can you see? Look at this. I'm going to remove the pin. And I'm going to come in by 3 inches and give it a notch. Just a little notch, about 0.5 inch. I'm not going to cut the lining for the entire body. So just watch closely. It's going to stop at that area where my choking is. Or should I say where my chokings are, because I choked 2 places. Going to lift the fabric off. I want to choke it. And then I'm going to connect with a ruler. Open it up. This is the right side. sew round the neckline and notch, then top stitch, and then you're going to join this place with half an inch, and then you are going to stop half an inch away from your notching. Can you see? So I stopped half an inch before the notching, and then I'm going to further notch that. I'm going to turn it like this. Can you see? Flip over and stitch with half an inch, starting from your notching. From this notching, stitch with half an inch. Do you understand? This is what you should have. Open up the lining and open up the main fabric and then let them face each other. Then flip over and stitch sideways like this. This is 2.5 inches long and 3 inches wide. I'm going to stitch with half an inch and turn it over. I went ahead to give the fabric a good press, and can you see we have 2.5 inches long? I'm going to pleat this place, and I'm going to wrap this around that pleated area, and I will stitch with my hand needle. This is what it looks like, guys. Try yours and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.